speak. And I just want to say in regards to like the sounds, breathe, meditate, inhale peace, exhale hate, those are affirmations. Please get away from the I can't breathe affirmations, the no justice, no peace affirmations. We continue to have that because we're proclaiming no justice, no peace. Stop that. Affirm peace, affirm unity, affirm power, affirm love. Speak the things you want to create to existence. We are the generation that are understanding law of attraction, okay? Yes. Rise up. If you believe a little bit in law of attraction, make it known. Rise up. Let everybody know that this is real. Energy is real. We're collective, okay? Stop affirming energy that's going to keep us down. Please get away from the I can't breathe. We are breathing. We are thriving. We are shouting. We are speaking from the gut, okay? So no more with the negative like words. Be mindful of your words. Be intentional with your words. Be intentional with your time. If you want change, do what you can. Some people want to be here but can't, but they're doing the work at home spiritually. You know, so everyone has a role to play. If you're not for the protest, that's cool. If you are, that's great. If you're more to the spiritual realm, that's great also. Everyone has a role to play. So just understand where you fit in and just know you're needed. Everyone is needed. We are a collective, okay? If there was ever a time for us to work together, the time is now, okay? So be mindful of what you're proclaiming. When you hear your brother or your sister speaking those negative words, check them. Give them another affirmation. Make sure you're speaking affirmations to yourself, just like OG just said, you know, about building up love, you know, and making sure that you give that love out in return. So speak affirmations, speak love to each other, give hugs, connect again. Okay, so just remember to stay in the affirmative, stay in the positive. Love is going to win this war, okay? Because the hate has not worked. We have to do something else. You literally have two choices, do it or not. We didn't try the love way before. We didn't try the hippie way before. Let's try it now. Okay, so love, that's the energy. That love is going to be the movement to get us through. Speaking of...
Hi, it's Sierra. I wanted to come on and give a tour of my affirmation cards. So I actually filmed this clip that I'm about to show of the tour before I saw the clip that I put before this. But once I saw that clip, it just really impacted me, and it sort of shifted the way that I look at how important this practice is in my life. So I've been making affirmation cards for a while. I used to make them at the new moon and sort of like have them as either reminders or goals or motivation or just reminders of healing. So yeah, I'm not artistic or anything. I didn't do art in school. Like, I just make these for fun and I make them to be creative. So just thought I would share this with y'all. Thank you. Here we have I am ready. On the other side, it's this really abstract looking pen and colored pencil drawing. Don't know if me or one of my friends that was in town did it, because we made these together. We made this side together, but I added on to it. Next one out is the create. I made this like in the beginning of 2020 because I wanted to be more creative. I wanted to create an oracle deck. I wanted to create affirmations and just continue to affirm. Emotional. That's coming soon. Reciprocity. Equal give and take. In the back is just blank. Just a pink one. Shadow equals doubt. It is so very true. Shadows are the parts of ourselves that hold us back from wanting to address them. They're those deep-rooted sort of ways of being that we often can overlook, and until we shed light on them, they are shadows. So a shadow that I identified recently for me was doubt. And doubting myself, seriously, is just a shadow aspect of being a creator, of being a fully authentic person in general. It's like, oh, is this is this for me? Am I deserving of this? Or doubt can come up literally everywhere. And it's just a shadow. It's just so blunted there for me to really just make that identification again. Feeling states. So I didn't realize how much I say states of being, but I've started saying it a lot more. And now that I've started recording videos of me and my readings, I realize how much it just comes up. But feeling states just are ways of describing these states of being that I'm often talking about. So, and I have some listed that I wanted to live out. So being in love, walking in acceptance, walking in world peace, walking in ease, reciprocity, release shackle. Ooh, it's very deep. Okay, I really kind of can't spell there though. Color, wholehearted living, warmth, childlike investment. So it's a bit abstract, but like these are all the feeling states of being that I want to be dipped in like a chicken nugget. Like I want to be fully in investment, like fully invested in my passions. I want to have childlike qualities, like fully keeping my youthful spirit and being very excited about life, wholehearted living, very much involved with keeping the inner child alive. Color, I love color, as you can freaking see. I just need to add color in my life sometimes. I realize I tend to live in neutral tones. There's no problem with that, but when I bring in that color, I really just see life more beautifully. And that's the feeling that I want to be in, a feeling state. So, love, oh my gosh, he told me, I think that's how you say her name, on YouTube. I was like listening to her IG live one day and she was saying like the goal is to go about life as if you've fallen in love and you just stay there. So that's very true, like the feeling of being all loved up. It's interesting because we look for it in relationships with others, but our relationship with ourselves can hold just that same amount of love and like romantic quality just by being very present with yourself, like as you would with a lover. It's kind of incredible. Alright, this is getting long. We're gonna talk about feeling states in a different fucking video because it's intense. Chase. Basically, like, if it's not for me, I will know because I'll feel the urge to chase it along. And like, just a reminder to do not do that. There's no need. This is a Beyonce lyric I want to unpack. It's a refreshing thing. So this is what I wanted to do right now. I wanted to make a new one. This one's pretty personal, but there's a part of me that knows. So I wanted to make one. This one says reset the bar. Like, yeah, raise the bar. Reset it. Because I don't like the term reset the bar. Or raise the bar. It's just like realign the bar. Chill out. Don't have people like thinking that they're lesser. It's just like anything that has like, it's laced with like that sort of logic. So I'm making a new version of this because this looks bad. So here it is. Share inner light. I have no clue why I wanted the E's to be backwards, but I think that it's because it's pointing inwards actually, so never mind, I sort of get it now. You know, this is just letting my mind do whatever the frick it wants, and it makes me feel creative, and I hang it up as if I'm goddamn Picasso. Like, heck yeah, there are parts of me all around my room, just like it's making your own decor at the same freaking time. Oh, I love this little note cube I have. Look at this, so pretty. Alright, but yes, that is it for my little affirmation card making session. Definitely rewind and make some cards with me, grab some paper, grab some colored pencils. Can definitely make more of these, and yeah, definitely let me know what you guys would want to put on your affirmation cards, or you know, Instagram me some freaking pictures of yours. This would be really exciting for me, like, you have no clue. And it would be exciting for your freaking inner self, too. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're making it more abstract by the second. So let me give y'all a proper goodbye.